Remodeling 360 is brought to you by Design Tech Remodeling, building a better tomorrow for you and your family.
The reason we wanted to redo and remodel our kitchen was because it wasn't functional. It was big enough, it just wasn't functional. Between the sink and the refrigerator and the cooktop, the flow wasn't there. As we were interviewing different remodeling companies to work on our kitchen project, we were really attracted to Design Tech because of their family-friendly attitude. What I liked about Design Tech's plan was that it helped make my kitchen more efficient, and yet it was modern and clean. All of Design Tech's industry partners were so incredibly friendly, but what we really enjoyed was that they were mindful of our family and our family's needs. I would definitely recommend Design Tech Remodeling to family and friends, and in fact, I have. The reason is because they listen to what you have to say at the very start of the project. They take notes on what you want as your final outcome and incorporate that into everything that they do for you from start to finish.